macOS stores temporal files called cache to speed up things, but over time this file can pile up, cause issues, or just eat up your space. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to safely clear macOS cache files and speed up your Mac without damaging anything. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. So to clear the system cache in macOS, we are going to click on Go, and then we come down and click on Go to Folder. So here we are going to type a command, okay? So we are going to type this command, /library /cache, and then we press on the enter key. So these are my cache files, okay? I've already deleted some, okay? So to clear the cache file, you can select all of the folders, including the file, and then you click on this down arrow, and then you click on move to bin, okay? But if you are not sure of the particular folder you want to delete, you can only delete the files in the folders or the files in the folder. So you can double click on any of the folder, and then you delete the file in the folder, okay? Let me close this. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so you can delete only the files in the particular folder, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to delete everything in the cache. So I'll select all, and then I'll click on this down arrow, then I'll click on move to bin. Okay, so I'm going to close the cache, and after you've moved to bin, everything goes to the recycle bin or the trash bin, okay? So let me open it and show you. So this is what I cleared just now, okay? So I need to empty the trash bin to clear everything and to free up space, okay? And after we've done that, we need to restart the Mac for the changes to take effect. So I'm going to empty the trash bin as well, okay? So I'm going to click on empty, and then I'll click on empty bin. Okay, so after you've done this, you need to restart the Mac, okay? So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more Mac tips. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.